Mr. Wolf, listen to me carefully. I know a place with great food. Do you believe a tiny person can change the world?
Our house is so quiet. We need a child.
Yes, my dear. I pray for a baby every day.
Even if he is as small as my thumb, I will love him.
Look! A miracle is happening right in my hands.
Hello, Mummy. Hello, Daddy. I am here now.
He is so small, but his eyes are so bright. My back hurts so much today. I cannot drive the horse.
Do not worry, Father. I can drive the horse to the forest.
You are too small to control this giant beast.
Trust me, Father. I will prove my power to you right now. Up we go. Hold on tight, my big friend. Go forward, my friend. We can do this together.
Giddy up! Turn right at the big tree. Good job!
Look at that! The carriage is moving by itself!
I hear a strange voice. What treasure is hidden there? Sell us the tiny boy. We will give you a lot of gold. Go away! My son is not for sale! Leave us alone!
Father, please sell me. I promise I will come back soon.
Are you sure, my brave boy? Please be careful.
But treat my boy with respect.
Wow! The world looks so big and beautiful from up here. They think they own me. But I am the master here.
This gold is mine. I found the boy first, you fool!
Now is the perfect time. Goodbye, greedy men. A perfect hiding place. They can never find me.
Where is he? Poke the stick deeper. Find him now!
Are you looking for me? Better luck next time, losers. They are gone. I am safe now. Time to find a bed. Oh, look at this! A beautiful and cozy snail shell. Good night, world. Tomorrow I will find my way home.
How can we break into the priest's house tonight?
The windows are too small. We cannot fit through them.
Thieves? This is interesting. I must stop them. Hey! I can help you, my clumsy friends.
What is that? A talking bug? This is crazy!
I am small enough to pass through any bar. Follow me.
Go inside and bring us the silver plates.
I am in. Now, let us make some big noise. Do you want this silver?
Shh!
There is so much gold here!
Be quiet, you crazy boy! The priest will wake up!
Get it! I am shouting as loud as I can! Ah!
Who is making that terrible noise? Is someone there?
Run! The priest is coming! We are doomed!
You are so weak. Justice always wins. I am so tired now. This grass bed is perfect. Mother, Father, I am coming home tomorrow.
Fresh grass. My favorite breakfast.
Wow! This room is so big! But where are the windows? Hey! Landlord! Please open a window for some fresh air!
This cow looks sick. I must butcher it today.
Throw this useless stomach away. It is just garbage.
Almost there! I can see the light now! Freedom! Finally, I can breathe the fresh air again!
A tasty snack. I will eat this whole thing!
Oh no! I survived the mouse hole and the cow. This is just another house. Mr. Wolf, can you hear me? Do you want a big feast?
Who is talking inside my stomach? Are you a demon?
I am your lucky star. I know a house full of delicious meat.
Meat? Tell me where it is. I am so hungry.
Run straight ahead. Turn left at the river. Hurry up!
I am running. Don't lie to me, small voice.
I smells chicken and sausages.
It is true.
Oh no! My belly is too fat! I cannot get out!
The trap is set. Time to wake up my parents. Father! Mother! There is a wolf in the kitchen!
Please stop shouting! They will kill me! Please!
Yes, he is in danger. Let's go.
Hold on, my boy. I am coming to save you. You filthy monster! Get away from my house! Don't hit me. I am just a poor, hungry wolf.
Die, monster! You will pay for your crimes.
Father! Stop! I am inside his belly.
What? Is that really you speaking?
Oh my God! My baby is alive! He is inside the wolf!
Yes, Mother, it's me. Please help me get out safely.
Be quiet, Wolf. I will save my son right now.
I am free. The great traveler has returned home.
You are the bravest boy in the whole world.
I went through a mouse hole, a cow's belly, and a wolf's stomach.
We will never lose you again, no matter what happens.
Freedom is in your mind. Never let danger control you. Size does not matter. Your heart and mind define who you are.